Hey guys, Machines and Mel here. Just wanted to show you the service van I've got that I've been putting together. It's a 1990, what is it, a 94, 95 Grumman. Yeah, the same company that makes the planes. And I picked this up a few years ago because I got tired of being in a shop and I wanted to do service work on the road. So I bought this from northern BC. It's a good deal. I paid about $6,000 Canadian for it, and it had under 100,000 kilometers on it when I got it. And it's been kind of used a little bit and then put away. So I'm going to be getting this baby up and running to do business with in the next little while. You can tell how long it's been sitting here. It's so dusty. It's got 104,000 kilometers on it now. And anyway, I've used this for one season as a repair shop, but I really wasn't prepared for how busy it was going to be, and I decided to retire it for the time being, because I had other things going on. And recently I've been really jonesing to get this baby back in business, so did a lot of work in here a couple of years ago. Got these cabinets customized up to fit right. I installed a bench grinder for sharpening and grinding blades. There's a toolbox bolted in the back corner with all my old tools from my old shop in there. We got little oxyacetylene ball kit. And there's actually a hydraulic, there's the hydraulic power pack. There's a hydraulic lift on the back of this thing that I installed not long after I got the van. A hose reel that we're going to be mounting elsewhere, and there's some shelves for parts. There's spark plugs. We're doing service jobs. This thing's got 110 volt inverter set up in it, and it's also got a 4,000 watt Onan generator that sits right down under the floor there. I can show it to you in another video. And this baby here is my reel mower sharpening rig, my mobile one. But I've decided that I'm not going to be doing mobile reel sharpening anymore. It's not a big enough part of the repair business to take up this much space in the van. So this is actually going to come out and be installed in the shop next door. And we're going to put some shelving in here and some more storage and cabinets and build a little bit of workspace. Because right now it's pretty tight when you get a lawnmower in here. So there's where I keep my fuel. Totally doesn't meet safety standards. That's more for miscellaneous things than nuts and bolts. There's some cabinets up here where I got some parts stashed. I haven't been in here in 2 years, guys. These are big bundles of air filters, Briggs and Stratton air filters. There's quite a bit, some fuel lines. So we're gonna restock this thing, or clean it out, restock it, set it up. There's the power switch for the inverter, so this thing will switch automatically from shore power or generator power to battery power. So if you want to run lights in the dark or charge tools or things like that while you're parked and not running the generator, this will automatically switch over to the batteries. There's a pair of big deep cycle RV batteries in the bottom of this thing, and when you start the generator or plug this into the wall, it will switch over to generator or shore power, whichever, automatically. It's pretty cool. I'll show you how it works one day. There's a air extractor that we were using for the grinding to pull the fumes and the smoke out, and we'll probably keep that because this baby gets pretty hot in the summertime, and it'd be nice just to flick that on and suck the air through it to cool you down. You can imagine this thing's a bit of an oven. So yeah, we're gonna clean her out, and I'm getting excited just talking about it. You could probably tell by the sound of my voice. We're gonna get this baby back on the road, and we're gonna save a lot of time running around moving lawnmowers. Instead, we're going to run around and service and repair them on site. It's going to make the business a little bit easier to run, and hopefully doesn't frustrate me as much as it does currently. So yeah, thought you'd like to see that, guys. That's the old Grumman van. Stay tuned for a few more videos of this thing coming together. It's going to be pretty cool, pretty custom, and if you like servicing lawnmowers, you may want to consider looking at doing something like this. That's the battery box right there to run the inverter. You can't really see it, but there's a big Tundra 5,000 watt inverter mounted to the wall behind the seat. That's our ducting that sucks out the fume grind. And down at the bottom under there, it's a big Vortex fan. Oh, sorry, right there. That runs it. So, anyway, stay tuned. I'll make some more videos. Thanks for watching.